Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Early Years Matters TV. On this channel, we focus on everything related to early childhood care education. If you're interested in this kind of content, kindly subscribe. Not just only subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever a valuable content in relation to quality early childhood care education is dropped on this channel, you definitely be notified. Today's discussion is going to be all about early childhood educators as researchers. Yes, so today's discussion is going to be all about early childhood educators as researchers. So you need to understand that as an early childhood educator, you're not just only going to assume the role of promoting holistic development in early childhood care and education. You should also take on the role of researchers within your practice. Yes, I'm going to explain. Peradventure, as an early childhood educator, this might sound strange to you in relation to being a researcher, but don't go anywhere. I'm going to really break it down. So as an early childhood educator, you have a role in relation to promoting holistic development in early childhood. So at the heart of what you do, you have to think about the children. You have to put the children at the center of what you do. So this is where being researcher comes in as well. So you should also take on the role of researchers within your practice. So this is you're being referred to as practitioner researchers or action researchers. Yes, I know this might be handful. It's all about you taking on the role of researchers within your practice. Now, you might be wondering, what is practitioner or action research? So practitioner or action research involves you, the early childhood educator, investigating pedagogical, your own approach to teaching, your approach to promoting learning and development within and outside the early childhood classroom, learning processes of children, aspect of your early childhood classroom. So what is practitioner or action research? It is with the educator systematically investigating your own approach, your own to learning and early childhood, the classroom, your early childhood successes of children, and the various aspects of your early childhood environment. So this practitioner or action research is all about. So you have to, early childhood educator, you have to assume the role of a practitioner researcher or an action researcher. So you're investigating your practice, your own approach to teaching, your pedagogical approach to promoting learning and development in early childhood, the successes of the children of your early childhood environment. So this is what being a practitioner or action research is all about. So in my next video, I'm going to give typical practical ways you could be an learner or an action researcher. So subscribe to this channel, and not just only subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that whenever a new video is dropped on this, so childhood education is dropped on this channel, you definitely be notified. And until I come your way next time, stay safe and mind yourselves for now. Bye.